welcome to Fretty World, and I'm taking you guys with me. I'm going to the mall. I'm going to look some subscriber. So I'm gonna walk up to random people and I'm gonna ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so come along with me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Subscribe to Fretty World.
Yay!
Yay!
So guys, you see, I get 1 subscriber so far. So I'm gonna walk up to a next person and ask them. Stay tuned. So guys, I got a next subscriber.
Hello everyone, please subscribe to Fretty World. God bless you.
So guys, I'm still here walking, looking subscribers. Guys, I got a couple of subscribers, but they choose not to come on the camera, so I have to respect their privacy, right? So I'm on the mall, I'm still looking, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got a couple subscriber. When I came here, I was at I was at 61 and now I'm at 74. So thanks to each and everyone that subscribed. So big up everybody who subscribed to Fretty World. The most say bare things me I gonna come with. So thank you to each and every one that subscribed. Big up you. So I'm on my way home, so maybe I drop a video later. And thank you for subscribing to Fretty World. Tell the people that subscribe to Fretty World know that's in the video too.
Subscribe to Fretty's World.
Yeah, subscribe to Fretty World. I thank you. Bye.